Looking to refine your search even more? Head for advanced search. For example, question papers. Type question papers in the first search box. Make sure the filter next to it says title contains. Now add another search box. This time select source and choose the sources that you like from the drop-down menu next to it. For example, NCERT, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, and West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education. Now add the educational level filter. Say you choose class 11 to 12. Next, choose the language, for example, English. Last step, learning resource type. Choose from the available options and there you go. Your search results in front of you. You need not fill up all the fields of the advanced search window. You may fill up as many fields as you want. Let's try with an example. Let's type question papers in the first search box. Now select source. For example, Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. Next, choose the language. For example, English. There you go. Your search results have been filtered according to source and language.